It's Vice President of Superweb here at Label Expo in Chicago, presenting our new DCOM 100 digital label press to the label industry. I wanted to provide you with a few details about this exciting new system and to show you the system in operation.
There are many digital label printing systems here at Label Expo. How does your DCOM 100 compare to all the rest?
Okay, comparatively speaking, this system provides substantial value for the investment that would be made by the label printing company. The DCOM prints at 160 feet per minute and sells for a very, very affordable price, a small fraction of the price of a new flexographic press.
What technology do you have to print such high resolution at your high speed?
Yeah, our core technology is from Memjet. Superweb are a license of Memjet, and we purchased the Memjet print engine, which is the module right to the side of me. The engine consists of 5 Memjet print heads, which allows us to print 5 colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and a spot color. Each print head prints one color of ink through 70,400 nozzles in a very small space. If you look at this gold strip on the face of the print head, it's just 1 millimeter wide, but it contains 70,400 nozzles. This head can fire up to 900 million drops per second.
Wow, that's really impressive, Paul. How wide can the Memjet print heads print?
Okay, the print width of our system is just over a page wide. That is 8.67 inches wide. Now we can show you the system printing 4x6 labels 2 up, so we are taking full advantage of the width of the system.
Don't you have a curing or drying station in place on the press?
No, there's no heat whatsoever. The ink is dry immediately after the labels moved out of the printing zone.
What versions of this printing system are available?
Our standard model is a standalone roll-to-roll system, which will also be available in an inline laminator and die cutter.
Your printing zone is very small. Can you offer just your printing module to be retrofitted onto an existing flexographic press?
Yes, we have been asked just that many times during the show, and the answer is yes. We now expect that many of our sales leads to the label printing companies will be in the form of retrofits.
How cost competitive are your running costs with traditional label printing?
Okay, we have gotten total cost of ownership information from several label companies, and we've built a total cost to print model for our existing flexographic printing. We find the cost crossover point on running costs for a 4x6 label that has about 50% ink coverage is at jobs with a run length of about 25,000 labels. That is, if you were running 25,000 of these labels, you would have a better cost printing on the Supercom D100.
Well, thank you for the demonstration and the information. I'm sure you have some very interested customers. My last question is, when can you ship this system to them?
Okay, this system will start shipping beginning in the January of next year.